Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna continue working on my Ford. Now my plan is completely prepare this cab for the paint. I'm gonna get this truck out of the garage so I have a more space, and plus I don't have to cover it so I don't get overspray. And I'm gonna need to clean out this mess a little bit that's going on over here, so I'll have to cover that tomorrow. I'm gonna be painting. I already ordered the paint and everything that I need to paint this truck. The guy gonna deliver it tomorrow, so, and I need to finish it, sending everything today. So I don't know what time tomorrow he's gonna bring all the stuff, all the paint supplies, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to paint in the morning, so that's gonna be day after, because I want to paint it early in the morning so I don't have any bugs flying around, flies or any other species, so I get a nice paint job on this cab. Anyway, let's get this truck out right now. I have some oil leak going on this truck. I'm gonna have to take the oil pan out and redo the gasket, maybe change the gasket, or if it's only silicone, replace the silicone, apply a new one, and put the oil pan back. Now let's get this truck out, clean this corner. I'm gonna get those parts somewhere in a different spot. That way I don't have to be worried about them get oversprayed. And pretty straightforward over here. Everything needs to be sand. I'll start with the top of the roof and gonna work my way down. Anyway, let's get to work. As you can see, it's looking pretty good. Anyway, that will take care of later. Now let's get these parts out so I don't deal with them later on, and get my tools out of the way. That way I can put this cap in this bay. It's taller, a lot taller over here, and I'll get those parts and just gonna throw in the parts trailer so I don't get damage on them or they're not on my way. I finished getting all the parts out and swept it, as you can see already. Now what I have to do is get those doors aside and get this cap over this bay, but this is gonna be a challenge because this frame rack, you pull one side, the other side twists to other side, so it's kind of hard to balance, and especially when the floor is not level, it just goes everywhere. So that's something gonna be pain in the butt doing it, but I need this cap over here so I can sand it. I have enough clearance on top. Let's do that real quick. You saw, guys, how quickly the things can go wrong. because of the weight, it's real heavy. So those wheels wants to go one way, the back wheels wants to go other way. So I almost hit the other wall, but I saved it. Otherwise I would have to fix the freaking fender again. Anyway, I did it. Everything here. That's where I'm gonna be painting the car, the cab actually. That's where I'm gonna be sanding, painting. That's will give me enough space to walk around here, to paint this, paint the roof. It's enough clearance, plus I can see good because of those lights. I'll have enough lights here. So basically, that's where it's gonna be sitting. And then I'll put the both front doors over here and paint them. That's it, guys. I'm completely done with the roof. Everything prepared. Everything looks good, even from the back section. Now what I'm gonna do, I'll start with this side. I'll start with this cap corner. We'll do this cap corner, then I'll jump on this B pillar, and then I'll do rest of it with the Scotch-Brite, red Scotch-Brite and scaffing paste, and same thing I'll do the other side. Then after all that I finish it, I'll jump on this back section, and this is gonna be the last section I want to do and prepare it, and with the cap that's gonna be it. And then I'll jump on the bolt doors. It's not a lot sanding over here with the sandpaper, only this area, and rest of it with the Scotch-Brite and scaffing paste also. So that's it, almost done. I mean, day is almost gone also, but it's getting somewhere. I'm tired doing this cap, too much body work. I hate doing body work, and that's something I stuck for over 2 weeks doing it, but I see the light at the end of the tunnel, so that's a good thing. Let's not waste our time and finish this site. That's it. I'm done with this side also. Everything is prepared. Everything looks good, ready to be sprayed. Last section in the cab left is this back section. Now what I want to do, I want to dry this out and take the D.I.Y with the 600 grit, go over it, and then I'll switch back to the Scotch-Brite, go over again, and basically that's it. This whole cap is gonna be ready to be sprayed, and the last two things would be left over to do is those two doors. But other than that, everything looks good. I'm happy. It's finally getting to that point where I'm gonna be painting, and I can't wait till that time so I can paint it, finally get over with this cap so I can finally start assembling. So many projects waiting on me, and because of this cap basically everything holds down. Like that truck, I have Evo, and there's more projects that sits over there in the backyard. Anyway, let's get the D.I.Y, couple towels, wipe this out, and D.I.Y this whole back section. That's it. Finally, the cap is completely done. Can't believe it. So much sanding. Anyway, it's all done. Back section is sanded also. So basically, whole cap is prepared for painting. It's ready, and everything looks good. So I'm ready to shoot the base coat and clear coat, and then paint outside. Now let's move to those doors. 600, spread Scotch-Brite around. Same thing over here. 600 and spread Scotch-Brite with the scaffing paste around. Not a whole lot left, but also the day is almost finished. That's it, guys. I finally finished with those two bolt doors. Looking good. The doors went smoothly. And another reason is because there's only half a layer of the factory paint. So that's why that was easy. And this was easy also. The only part was a little bit difficult is over here, but I pre-sanded half of it, so half of it left. Same thing over here with this door. Everything looks good, ready to be painted. The guy I'm buying paint from, he's gonna stop by tomorrow, bring me paint for it, clear coat. I wanna try new clear coat. He's saying that the clear coat, everybody likes it. It lays pretty good, and that's some kind of new product. So far people been liking it, the body shops. So I want to try that out. And what else? The paint reducer, clear coat, I will receive that tomorrow. And the day after, I'm gonna be painting because I want to pressure wash this cab also with those doors. Leave them overnight so they sit, dries, and then probably 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning I'm gonna be painting those parts so I don't get any bugs or flies, anything that flying at night or during the day. Early in the morning it works best for me to painting. I can't believe it's finally happening. I've been, honestly, my hands, I'll start giving up on this project. I mean, I never give up on the project, but they start getting into you and you start losing interest because you're doing same work over and over and over and nothing moves. I spent a lot of hours on those trying to repair the cab, doors, everything. You guys know how much time I spent on it, so I will start losing interest. But when I see this, and especially after I paint, I'm actually already excited and I just want to keep going it. I hope nothing else gonna stop me because I want to keep going it so I can start on the GMC project. Oh man, that GMC is gonna be beast. I have so much stuff in my head that I want to do, and I just can't wait to start on it. Anyway, and thank you guys for watching, staying with me through this build. Sorry that my upload is far away from each other. I had some issues that I had to take care of, and you know, when you it's just a life that I had to take care of it. It's 7:30 already and I don't have time to even mow my grass, so I do it once a week. That's how much time I don't have it. Anyway, it looks like I figured all those problems out. Looks like I'm gonna have more free time and the project should start coming along. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. As usual, comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. There's awesome stuff coming to the channel. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv to see inside scoop there before YouTube. And I'll catch you next one.